Attention business owners. Are you looking for a way to stand out from the competition? Have you considered developing a custom AI presenter tailored to your specific commercial needs? It's time to explore the exciting world of custom AI development. By teaming up with experienced AI developers or AI development companies, you can create a virtual presenter that fully represents your brand, product, or service. With custom development, you're in complete control of the AI presenter's features, appearance, and functionality. This means you can create a virtual presenter that perfectly aligns with your brand and marketing strategy. But wait, there's more. Some companies also offer AI presenter platforms that provide pre-built virtual presenter solutions. These platforms allow you to create a Credo AI is more than just a platform, it's a powerhouse platform that's revolutionizing the way businesses operate. A community of like-minded individuals who are all committed to helping each other succeed. With Credo AI, you'll have access to a wealth of resources and expert guidance that will help you overcome any challenge and seize every opportunity. So if you want to take your business to the next level, sign up for Credo AI today. With its powerful tools and expert support, you'll be unstoppable. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the Credo AI community today and see what all the fuss is about. I will put the link on the description box. And let's go dive to the world of AI. Before that, don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for more updating video. Credo AI have an oral broadcast video creation. More than 70 kinds of real-life digital characters supporting multi-language text-to-speech synthesis and oral broadcast video creation. AI text dubbing in more than 140 languages. They also have an AI marketing copy generation, quickly generate multilingual advertising marketing copy to help you improve marketing effectiveness. And Credo AI have an AI model. Quickly generate your virtual digital human model without studio shooting. Select English. To generate TXT to audio, please enter a description of the copy you want to generate. Hear the text description. Or go to ChatGPT for the script you want to generate. Engage in dialogue, pose questions or statements to ChatGPT, keeping in mind the character you're interacting with. ChatGPT will respond as if it were the character, generating dialogue based on its training and understanding of the context. Then copy the script from ChatGPT generated the script. And then paste it here on the text description. It will automatically generating the suggested script you want for commercial business. Credo AI is a text generation tool. It's important to note that as an AI language model, it can provide text generation capabilities as well. It can assist you in generating text for various purposes, such as creative writing, content generation, or even scripting. Text generating tools can produce content quickly and efficiently, saving time and effort compared to manual writing processes. They can generate a large volume of text in a relatively short amount of time. These tools can assist in generating content for various purposes, such as blog articles, social media posts, marketing copy, product descriptions, or even scripts for videos or presentations. They can help overcome writer's block and provide a starting point for further refinement. However, it's important to note that while text-generating tools offer these advantages, they still require human oversight and editing. The generated content should be carefully reviewed, refined, and tailored to specific needs, ensuring accuracy, coherence, and alignment with the desired message or purpose. And then you can select the AI model you want to present your businesses. Certainly, AI can definitely be used to present a product or assist businesses in various ways. It can help automate tasks, provide data analysis and insights, enhance customer experiences, and even deliver presentations or demos. AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, and voice assistants are just a few examples of how AI can support businesses and interact with customers. To create a script for AI presenting your product or assisting your business, Please provide the following information. Purpose of the presentation or assistance. Key points or information you want to highlight. Target audience for the presentation or AI assistance. Desired tone or style, example, professional, friendly, informative. Length of the script, in minutes or approximate word count. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things AI avatar presentation, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future upload. I hope you found our exploration of AI avatar presenters informative and inspiring. If you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, the future of communication and presentation is evolving, and AI avatar presenters are at the forefront of this exciting technological advancement. So stay tuned as we continue to dive deeper into this fascinating world, exploring the latest innovations, tips, and techniques. Until next time, keep learning,